this off.
HDTV don't mean that much to me, 'cause I got higher definition in my reality. What's happening? I like that beat. Let's take 'em home. Man, that ain't no radical, man. I know that good. I ain't made it. Man, turn that thing off, man.
This is it, girls.
Oh my gosh.
In this package right here is an award that you receive from YouTube when your channel has reached 100,000 subscribers. It's been a long journey. I've had a YouTube channel since 2006. Never really knew what I was gonna do with it, but wanted to do something one day. Lo and behold, Facebook pops off and I create this gumbo cooking video that for whatever reason went viral, and I ran with it. Did cooking video after cooking video after cooking video, and here we are with my munchkins.
Munchkins.
About to unveil the silver play button.
Namaste.
It has been quite the journey.
Namaste. Namaste.
Well, all right, let's unveil this thing, shall we?
Where do we get?
You get nothing.
All right, let's see here. I gotta figure out how to open it up. Well, this is very, very, very dangerous to do with something that's sharp. Okay. All right, you're determined to help me, huh?
He always wants to help you.
There we go. And then,
I help Daddy.
all right, here we go.
Ready?
I don't think they gave it to us. It's protection. Protection. Come on.
Maybe taking this off.
It looks beautiful. But you can actually watch YouTube on it.
Wow.
That is cool.
Oh, wow.
Don't show them this stuff.
So this is a very nice note that YouTube has given us. I'll read that in a second. You know what? Maybe, hey, calm down. Maybe flash that, but it's a lot here, so I don't want to bore you guys to death with this. But, the beginning here says you've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. So, first and foremost, thank you guys, because it is not possible without you guys hitting that button, and wanting to tune in. Wow. All right, so I'm sure you guys can't see it that good yet.
Daddy, you can order us a YouTube cake and we can celebrate.
Wow.
Wow. OMG. Can you make some donuts?
There it is, guys.
Oh, I have another one.
Wow.
It's a paper.
It says, presented to the Cajun Ninja for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Toast.
I told my wife I would hang this in the living room, but she said she had to see it first. She approved.
You got the yum, yum.
Look, at the end of the day, I've not done any of this without my family, so it's only, it's only, I don't even know what to say. This is really cool, and I have to have this little rascal next to me no matter what, because this is amazing.
Okay.
This is great, guys. Look at that. Man, so cool. Wow. I'm super excited about this. Really, really cool to accomplish this. And They say if you hit 1 million, you get a gold one. I don't even know if that'll ever happen. I wasn't sure if this would even ever happen in my lifetime, but you know, should that ever happen, you bet your butt I will be here to thank all of you once again and do it all over. But for now, I am just so humbled to have this. This is really neat, and like I said, it's all because of you guys. So you are all over the place today. What is up with you? You should have never had that blow pop.
I always talk too much because I ate food a lot.
This is great. Well, that's it, guys. This is the silver play button, you know? The 100,000 subscriber silver play button. We managed to pull off a quick video. We have a grouchy 8-year-old, a tired 6-year-old, and a freaking wacky 4-year-old. So that is real life with
Thank you for tuning in.
3 children, yeah, so.
And I'm touching my phone. Hello.
All right, well, look, thank you guys for tuning in to this special 100,000 subscriber video. I haven't been this excited about an award since my hometown of Thibodaux, Louisiana. Shout out to Thibodaux. Gave me the key to the city, that was really cool too. So you know, this is gonna go right up there with that. So look, thank you guys all once again. I'm forever thankful for you all. I try my best to answer as many of you guys as possible. And look, stay tuned for more because this ain't over. We're gonna keep rocking it, and we're gonna have that yummy, 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 yummy. All right, girls, what do we say? We'll see y'all next time. Choo!